From what you are hearing is that I'm confirming to you that the issue of maybe you've heard it being maybe rumors, it is not rumors. I want to confirm that it happened, that one young man of 23 years by the names of Peter Macharia was stabbed severally by a friend, a lady friend. What caused this kind of commotion is not exactly identified, but the investigation is underway to confirm what really transpired. To an extent, this kind of a war erupted. The lady stabbed this gentleman more than 7 times, which really is suspected to have caused his death. The lady by the names of Nakato, believed suspected to be a foreigner, is in custody, and investigations to take her to court is really in progress.